the base is the common, but that base we have to cement it. Yes, if I just want to build up any building of fluency or efficiency, so I need to cement it my basic. And that basics will be cemented when I will pour everything like water, cement, and concrete in proper portion. Yes, it is not like that I am doing only listening, I am doing only reading or writing or speaking. As for making a building, everything is required: cement, concrete, and sand. In the same way, if you want to learn this language, if you want to get proficiency in this language, so first of all, your profound practice is important, your profound determination is important, and you need that authentic foundation that you can provide to yourself only. Nobody would do something for you. That is only you who can think about yourself, and who can do something and add values in the process of learning this language. Good morning, everyone. I know very well that I am not so perfect, but I am getting better day by day. Do you know why? Because of my consistency. I do conversation every single day. No matter that I am doing video conversation or audio conversation or I am talking with myself. But my first priority is that I have to give myself a quality practice. Yes, a quality practice. And I am totally determined with this thought, with this process. In starting, when I was not able to speak fluently in front of others, that time I was quite apprehensive about my thought, about my learning, about my journey, that what will be the future of my desires, and what will the future of my dreams that I have just dreamed someday. But now I can say that I'm able to achieve each and everything, and this is because of my consistency. I always love to do everything every single day. Even I don't want to leave anything for a moment. What happens sometimes? Sometimes it happens with me that I am not willing to make conversation just after coming from school. Yet, that expression always keeps on in my mind, that how to speak, how to make my conversation fulfill today. And that is why I'm unable to take a short nap as well, because when I think that being exhausted, I have to take a short nap, but as I lie down on the bed, so I feel that something is missing in my life. I think that I'm not utilizing my day, and somewhere I am cheating myself. So that is why I always prefer myself to jump into practice every single day. And when it comes to practice, practice is not only speaking, but other skills as well, like listening, reading, writing. I know all are you have just listened about all of these words multiple times, but this is the base of this language. Yes, not only this language, but every single language. If you want to learn something, and the base is the common, but that base we have to cement it. Yes, if I just want to build up any building of fluency or efficiency, so I need to cement it my basic. And that basics will be cemented when I will pour everything like water, cement, and concrete in proper portion. Yes, it is not like that I am doing only listening, I am doing only reading or writing or speaking. As for making a building, everything is required: cement, concrete, and sand. In the same way, if you want to learn this language, if you want to get proficiency in this language, so first of all, your profound practice is important, your profound determination is important, and you need that authentic foundation that you can provide to yourself only. Nobody would do something for you. That is only you who can think about yourself, and who can do something and add values in the process of learning this language. So that is the thing, and when it comes to perfection, as in the starting only I told that I am not chasing any perfection. I'm just working on my practice. Yes, I'm just working on myself. That how I am practicing. Yes, and that is the reason that I am feeling that I am improving gradually. Yes, and I am finding results in chunks, and it doesn't matter that how much time do you takes, how much time do you take to just succeed in any particular way. But this is not a race for me. This is a journey, as Rome was not built in a day. So I have thought by my consistent efforts, I will be able to learn this language with learn and fun and with enjoyment. Yes, I always want to speak this language, and I always want to learn something or the other. So that is why, though I have completed almost 1 year and 2 3 months, but yet I have noticed that there is lots of things where I have to work upon. Yes, and if I am talking to you this much, so this is also the result of my constant efforts that I am making in my journey. And even you can also do this. What is required? Only your time, isn't it? And I'm not saying that you have to devote all the day long and all the months or years, means without any rest. You can just steal out at least 1 hour for yourself. Yes, if you will give practice of 1 hour, but if it is in regularity, so you will get the result. And it is not a very hard nut to crack. If you want to do something, if you want to achieve something in your life, so it is very easy. Just think about your why, that why do you want to learn this language. If you want to learn this language only for the sake of your amusement, and to build up your confidence, and to build up your relationship, so it is not enough, because it will not give you that strength, that why you should learn this language. There should be one prominent why. Yes, one prominent why, that why you need to this language. If you are not in great need of learning this language, so you will not going to get result as much as you want to. So first, make your why prominent, and apart from that, don't show only your interest in learning this language. If you are interested, so that time it will not go with this learning. You need to committed. Yes, if you are committed to do anything, so that time you definitely do without any haste, you do this thing. So just be committed, keep on learning, keep on writing, keep on speaking and listening as well. Yes, just hold all the pillars tightly, just hold all the pillars tightly, and listen, and speak whatever you want to speak, but speak. because speaking comes by speaking only. Okay, then, bye bye. Have a nice day.